The cost of renting a computer is $50 plus $10 per week. Create a function table to represent this situation. Then it says if you're going to rent a computer between 1 and 5 weeks, what is the range of the function? Well, let's take it step by step here. Let's create a function table to represent the situation. So we're going to have the input and the output. Okay, well, if you have $50, that's the initial cost. So that means your input is 0 and your output is 50. That's just what you pay to get going. And it's going to be $10 per week. That's the rate. Notice the word per there. So that's your rate of change. So that means for every 1 week, you're going to increase by $10. So that's going to be $60. Week 2, you add $10 again, so that's $70. For 3, you're going to add another $10, which is $80. 4, add 10, which is 90, and then 5, add 10, which is 100. Okay, so let's take a look at this question again. If you're going to rent a computer between 1 and 5 weeks, what is the range of the function? Well, they're talking about between 1 and 5 weeks. You can't really rent a computer for 0 weeks. I mean, that just means I'm going to give you $50 because you're not giving me the computer for less than a week, at least based on this rate of $10 per week. So 1 to 5 is what actually makes sense for the context of the problem. And context means the situation. So we want the range between 1 and 5, and that's right here, these guys. So the range is going to be the outputs of 60, 70, 80, 90, and $100. And once again, the range is the set of outputs for the function. And in the context of this problem, that means you could pay, for 1 week you could pay $60, 2 for $70, 3 weeks for $80, 4 weeks for $90, and 5 weeks would cost you $100.